Good morning, class. Welcome back, you all, in computer class. Now, class, today I will teach your remaining topic of chapter 9 computer security. In computer security, in earlier topic, 2 or 3 topic I have taught. In that topic, you have learned about a virus, worms, spyware, adware, etc. Now, class, listen how to prevent virus from your computer. This thing you will learn in topic antivirus software. Antivirus software. Antivirus software is a set of programs that are to prevent designed to prevent search for detect and remove software viruses. This software mainly used to prevent search for detects and remove software viruses and other malicious software like worms, trojans, adware and some more. So this is a use of the antivirus software. Antivirus software is very important if you are using computer and if you are using internet on your computer, then antivirus software is very important because of within a minute lot of new viruses are created daily on internet. So that's why antivirus software is very important. Listen the topic, why do I need antivirus software? These antivirus tools are critical for users to have installed an up-to-date because a computer program antivirus software protection will be infected within a minute of connecting computer. These antivirus tools are critical for users to have installed and up to date because a computer without antivirus software protection will be infected within minutes of connecting to internet. That's why the bombardment is constant, which means antivirus companies have to update their detection tool regularly to deal with the more than 16,000 new pieces of malware created daily. This is the work of antivirus companies. Have to update their detection tool, their antivirus, regularly to deal with the more than 60,000 new pieces of malware created daily. That's why we need to install an antivirus software in our computer. Now, how an antivirus program work? How an antivirus software work? In these 3 points, keep in your mind. First point, quarantining. All of you heard very well about this word quarantine. Just now, the human who have infected by COVID-19, they are quarantined for 14 days or more than 14 days. antivirus also do this work, also do the software, also remove the virus in form of quarantine. Quarantining. Quarantining means to place an infected things, infected files in a place of isolation where it cannot harm other. Where it cannot harm other. The file infected file keep in a separate in antivirus one place called quarantine. The file stored in that places cannot affect the file stored in your computer in other places. This is a mean of quarantining. Software program work on the basis of quarantine. Second thing, repairing. The antivirus repairing. Repairing means here the antivirus try to remove the virus code virus code and repair the files to restore to its original form. This is a try to remove virus. Try to remove virus. Remove virus from file. This is a repairing, and your file will be saved. Next thing, deleting. Deleting means when a file is totally damaged or infected by dangerous virus, then the virus decided it to delete permanently. Deleted permanently. Deleted permanently means that the file not recover. In that cases, the antivirus deleted the file with virus. This is a way of working of antivirus. It work in three way. First way by quarantining. Quarantining means the file infected file keep in a separate place in antivirus area. That file cannot infect to other file. Second thing, repairing. If possible then that file can be remove virus deleted from the file, and deleted permanently virus with file deleted. This is a way of working of antivirus. How to using an antivirus? Simple. You don't have to do any more thing for using antivirus. To using antivirus, in start all program and click on any antivirus software. Then that screen appear. There are some option appear like speed up. Some option appear like speed up. Virus scan. Virus scan. Clean up. And Wi-Fi security check. Wi-Fi security check. So this is a way of, if you want to speed up, you can click speed up. If you want to scan your virus, click on virus scan, and now clean up and some more. Now class for today it's enough. In your topic finish. Thank you all for today. Thank you all for class. All of you listen very carefully. Thank you all.